Hey credit cousins, today we are talking about Langley Federal Credit Union. But before we talk about this amazing credit union, I just want to give a huge shout out to all my first time viewers and returning credit cousins. This channel is dedicated to all of you where we get straight down to the nitty gritty from data points, credit tips, hacks, and more. So join the conversation today in the comment section. I would love to hear from you with your questions, comments, concerns, and opinions. So definitely drop a comment, and if you can smash that like button, I greatly appreciate it. Remember, because this is why the channel is blowing up. So thank you. So let's get into Langley Federal Credit Union. A little geographic information about this credit union is that it's located in Newport News, Virginia. They have 20 United States locations. So let's go over some of the data points on how to join. The membership at Langley Federal Credit Union is open to all U.S. citizens who open a shared savings account with $5 minimum deposit. They have changed a few things with membership requirements. Now they are actually requiring a hard pull for a membership. So it is a hard pull from when you join the credit union. They do a hard pull from only Equifax FICO 9 score. So when you first join the credit union, you will have to get a hard pull. But the good thing about this credit union is that one hard pull from Equifax is good for 30 days, which means you can apply for all of the Langley Federal Credit Union products, and it will result into no hard inquiry. Many have used this method of the 30-day pull with one hard inquiry with this credit union to double dip with 2 personal lines of credit. I would suggest having no late payments or derogatory marks if you want the highest limit on approvals, but you can likely get approved with like old charge-offs or collections. I would say that are 2 years or more. They also don't ask for proof of income from my knowledge when applying for products, but it can vary from each applicant based on what you put on your applications. Be honest about your income and don't put in an outlandish income, because it can raise a red flag to request a certain document to verify your application income status. So they also check systems. So you may want to watch this video here on how to check your check systems and be free of check systems. Also, as many of you know, the lock the score method that I mentioned on my channel with Navy Federal, you can also do the lock the score method as we're here in case they may pull your credit again when you freeze, or be free of your check system just to be safe. Now, I don't recommend freezing your credit profiles. Only lock your credit profiles, because if you freeze your credit profile, it can fully block them from gaining access even when they are doing a soft pull. Now, you can freeze your check systems if you know you have a negative history from previous banks or credit unions. You may likely be on the check system alert. So why I'm mentioning this credit union and its hidden gems? Well, like I mentioned earlier, you could double dip with this credit union in their credit products with just one hard inquiry. For example, they offer personal and business credit cards, but for this video, we're talking about the personal side. But if you're interested in the business tips and tricks with this credit union, drop a fire emoji down below to let me know. So back to the double dip south. So we are talking about their $40,000 personal line of credit. This is much different from a personal regular loan. With a personal line of credit, it's a revolving credit that you can use over and over and over and over again. These are great to have for many reasons, on such like unexpected expenses, investing, real estate, building a small business, and so much more. It's also another way to liquidate cash faster than a credit card without having to deal with cash advance fees. One thing I did notice is the APR fees have gone up in like the last 6 months from around 9% to 10.65%. But there is a 10% interest rebate paid monthly to you if you make make your payments through your checking account with them. So that basically could outweigh the new APR increase. So many people have taken advantage of this credit union already, and I did notice that when reading up on this credit union credit forms. This personal line of credit also has no fees. This loan is same-day funding, so once you apply and get a decision, you should see the amount in your account within a few hours. They usually send all documents through email for you to electronically sign the agreement. So one thing I wanted to mention is if you do get denied, you can still request for reconsideration. I will drop a video on the steps to get approved with them with another product they offer shortly. So make sure you subscribe to find out. Y'all been wanting this credit union sauce back on the channel, so I'm back with the credit unions this month. So don't miss out. But anyways, so with the 30-day pull one inquiry method, you can apply for 2 or more other products without additional inquiries for 30 days once joining. So another good product of theirs is a credit card for several reasons. First, you could do a product switch with this credit union. So for example, let's say if you apply for the low tier credit card first with one of their introductory offers and got approved, but now you want to switch to a mid-tier card once you got your credit offer and you made money from it, you can basically transfer your credit limit on approval with this credit union. With credit cards that are from credit unions, I love a good cashback card or a 0% interest rate for 12 months or more, right? But the credit cards at Langley Federal Credit Union, they do offer decent credit cashback cards, but no 0% interest rate credit cards. So, but between the Platinum Quint Visa, that has a 12% APR, and you can earn $50 after spending $1,000 in the first 90 days with a 1% on all spending. And the other cashback card that I really like is the Signature Cashback Visa with a 14% APR, and you earn $50 after spending $1,000 in the first 90 days. And there are other cashback credit cards that I just mentioned. It has a 5% cashback. Now, they're both pretty decent, but I do wish they first had a higher intro spending promo offer, more than $50, but it is what it is. They're offering one inquiry for 30 days. You can't have, both, right? But these 2 credit cards aren't really much of a difference besides the APR. So I would say that if you don't keep a balance on your credit cards every month and you plan to use this credit card every day, I would do the Signature Cashback Visa that has the higher APR, but it has also the higher cashback with the 5%. So if you use it every day, you're earning money more than the other one that has a 1%. Now, all of their credit card products do offer the same introductory offers with the $50 after $1,000 spending within the 90 days of having it. So you can find which credit card best fits your needs, or you can apply for another credit product such as a mortgage, a student loan, an auto loan, a personal loan without another hard inquiry if it's been within the 30-day time span of you joining the credit union. So with that being said, I hope this video was very helpful for you all. Let me know if you have Langley Federal Credit Union and how you like it, or if you plan to join them and use this method. Comment down below in the comment section, guys. This channel is all about learning from each other. I look forward to your feedback, and make sure you join the private group Credit Cousins, the Credit Cousin Club, as we discuss data points with similar credit unions. Everything will be in the pinned comment section below, so make sure you go down there and click. See you guys in the next video. Bye.